Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to complete question 3 in your maths assignment. So with this section, you need to understand what a rule is. Now a rule just simply shows the relationship between two varying quantities. For instance, I've got here my input and my output. Okay, so for instance, a rule so the input is one group of values and then the output is another group of values. And this rule here, output equals input plus 2, that shows the relationship between my quantities. And my rule is that basically whatever my input is, the output is always going to be 2 more, okay, because it says plus 2 than my input. Okay, so sometimes you'll be required to fill in a table like this, and then you will plot them on a coordinate plane. So I'm going to show you how to work this out. So you might have some working out, okay? So I firstly want to fill in this box here. I'm going to have a look at my rule, and my rule is output equals input, and it gives me my input. It says it's 1. So I put 1 here. Then it says plus 2 just there. So that's all I do. So my first value is 1 plus 2. It's just 3. So I just write a 3 there. Okay. The next one says 3, because my 3 is here. And then I add 2. Okay. So I write 5. My next one says when my input is 5, I add 2, okay? And it keeps going up, and you just simply fill in your table until it's full all here, okay? Now the next one, it's a little bit, involves another layer of thinking, but it's not necessarily harder. So this is another rule, and my rule is output equals 2 times my input, then whatever that answer is, I add 1, okay? Again, I've got 2 quantities. This is my first quantity. This is my second quantity. So I'll show you how to do them. So I'm going to write out my rule so that I don't make a mistake. Output equals 2 multiplied my input. So let's go 1, close my brackets, plus 1. I'm firstly going to work out the answer to my brackets, okay? So 2, so because 2 times 1 is 2, then plus 1, that's 3. I write my 3 down here. Let's do the next one together. So output equals 2 times, and what's my input? You might have said it's 2. The next one's 2. Okay, and I forgot to put brackets. Okay, plus 1. Again, I'm going to do my brackets first because that's the order with BODMAS, okay? So the brackets come first. So 2 times 2 is 4. Then we add 1. The next line of working shows us that 4 and 1 add to give 5. So we just put 5 here. And then we just keep working out these next 3 values until you fill in your table. And that's all you need to do for those 2 questions in your assignment.